Hi everyone. In my previous video I have taught the question words used in Kannada, the common question words used in Kannada. You can find the link here. Now I am going to teach you the usages of what in Kannada, only what we use in different forms that I am going to teach you now. Here are few words and all these words mean the same. The meaning is what? Let me teach you. Yenu, yenenu, yendarenu, yenella, yenadu, yenide, yenagutide, yenaitu, yenadavu, yenannu, yenendu. In Kannada we combine the word what with the other words. Now I will teach you few sentences and you will understand better the different forms of what used in Kannada. Let's read the sentences. What did you see? Yenu nodide. Yenu, what? What is the matter? Yenu vishaya. Vishaya means matter. What should I give you? Yenu kodabeku. Kodabeku, give you. What? Yenu. What is there? Yenenu ide. If you go to a restaurant and want to ask what is there, what is the menu? Yenenu ide. What is corona? Corona endarenu. Renu means what? Yenu. It's joined with the word. What is the reason? Karana venu. Karana is reason. Venu, what? Karana venu. Joined with karana. So yenu became venu. What is your name? Ninna hesarenu. Renu, yenu. Hesaru plus yenu, hesarenu. So this yenu is combined with hesaru. What is in the picture? Chitradallirudenu. Chitradalli is in the picture. Irudenu. Denu. So yenu became denu. What things are there in the box? Dabbiyalli yenella ide. Yenella. What all things are there in the dabba, in the box? What is that? Yenadu. What is there for lunch? Utakke yenide. You want to ask your parents or to your maid, what is there for lunch? Utakke yenide. What is there in my hand? Kayyalli yenide. What is there on my head? Taleya mele yenide. Yenide. What is there? What is happening? What is happening means yenagutide. Yenagutide. If somebody is not feeling well and you want to ask that person, what's happening to you? Yenagutide. You hear some noise and you go there and you are curious what's happening there. Then you can ask there, illi yenagutide. What happened? Yenaitu. Yenaitu is a past tense word. What happened to the fruits? Can't find them. Hannugalu kanistilla. Yenadavu. Hannugalu kanistilla. I have kept the fruits here. Now I can't find them. What happened to them? Yenadavu. What happened to them? U. U is the plural form. Yenadavu. What did he see? Yenannu nodidanu. Yenannu. You can also say yenu nodidanu. But yenannu also is what? When you come across this word, you will know ಏನನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದನು. ಏನನ್ನು means what? What did they give you for your birthday? ನಿನ್ನ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬಕ್ಕೆ ಏನನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು? ನಿನ್ನ your ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬ birthday. ಏನನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ಕೊಟ್ಟರು gave. ಏನನ್ನು, ಏನು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏನು, ಏನನ್ನು. What all things you got for your birthday? What did he say? What did he say? ಏನೆಂದು ಹೇಳಿದನು. What to say? ಏನೆಂದು ಹೇಳಲಿ. That's it, friends. Thank you. Now we are done with the question words and you can test your knowledge by attempting this quiz which has 10 questions and 2 options each. You have 10 seconds to answer each question. All the best.